In our first few weeks in, we earned $2,000 in commission.
My first 7 days using the system, I was able to make $7,200 in direct sales commissions, as well as an extra $500 a month in monthly recurring commissions in just my first 7 days. So thank you, Jeff. Could not be more excited.
In my very first week, I made $2,000.
In the first couple weeks of using Jeff's system, I earned an extra $8,900, and that doesn't take into account an extra $500 a month in recurring revenue as well.
Those members have the secret to making $2,740 every day and becoming millionaires. And the key is simple. Real products, ethical products with high satisfaction rates that pay a commission anywhere from $1,000 to $25,000 at a time, along with a website that helps you sell them every single day.